YouTube, back again, signature scent reviews. I have a review over another Franck Olivier fragrance. This one is Franck Olivier's Eau de Passion. And this one is supposed to be, in my opinion, a Chanel Platinum Egoiste clone. It has a very, very similar scent to that fragrance. And one thing about it, again, Franck Olivier's fragrances are very affordable. This particular size, a lot of their sizes are 2.5 ounce bottles, so it's a little odd size. But at any rate, this smells good. It's very clean. Definitely a scent for spring, summer. It's not heavy. It's not for the fall or winter. But again, if you are looking for something that is very similar to Platinum Egoiste and is very affordable, this would be it. Now, as far as Chanel's Platinum Egoiste, it's a lot of times people call it a grown man's Abercrombie and Fitch Fierce. I really don't. I don't know. I really don't get that, but at any rate, that's what it's called. Sometimes it's very. That's a very. It's an older scent. It's from the early '90s, I think, like maybe '93 or something like that. This one is relatively new. I can't remember the date of the release, but at any rate, it's definitely a solid clone of that. If that's what they intended on doing, I'm not sure, but smells just like it. I don't own Platinum Egoiste. I'm a frequent person at Sephora, so a lot of fragrances I like to smell and see. Okay, if it really is a clone of something or whatnot, and I can tell you right now, this is very, very close to Chanel's Platinum Egoiste. And again, that scent is not necessarily for everybody. It's not in my opinion, it's not a young or youthful scent. Like, I guess something like Fierce. So it definitely is more mature. And when I say mature, it's not like old manish or anything like that. It's just not playful. I don't know if I can describe that or not. But this is not very strong, to the nose. It smells good. It smells very good and clean. This has pineapple in which it's one of my favorite notes. I like pineapple and I like sage. It has sage in it as well. So as far as the note breakdown, this has, let's see, it has pineapple, lemon, orange, bergamot, mint, lavender, vetiver, geranium, sage, clove, oak musk, and amber. And Platinum Egoiste, I think the only notes that they have in common are sage and geranium, and of course in the base you have your ambers, and they have cedar and sandalwood and galbanum in it. But at any rate, as far as the notes go, they're slightly different on their notes. But again, you can put any accords and notes together and get a certain scent or fragrance in the world of perfumery. So, but at any rate, the price for this, of course, is less than $20. You can get it about $18 at discounters, even less than that if you have a sizable discount code. Whereas the Platinum Egoiste in a larger size, slightly larger size, 100 mil, is about $95. Now, you do the math. If you want to pay that much or you want to pay this much, that's on you. But that was one of the Chanel Platinum Egoiste is actually one that I thought about collecting or whatnot. But after smelling this, I'm not even going to get it. I mean, that's just how close it is to me. It's close enough to me to not even really want it, because I'm not one of those people that collect just to collect. I actually wear the fragrances that I buy, and I have to like them as well. So just looking at that type of scent or that particular scent, there's no need for me to buy Chanel Platinum Egoiste. So for you people looking for something sub $20, smells really good. It's clean. It's kind of light. It's not a very, very strong scent. It lasts a decent amount of time. This one, if I remember correctly, I wore it recently. I'd give it, like I said, it's not a longevity beast. I probably give it about maybe like 5 hours on my skin. Okay, maybe longer on yours. I'm just saying on mine. But at any rate, at this price point, that really doesn't matter because you can always reapply. And I think a lot of people get too heavy on the, performance sometimes. Some of these fragrances last long, some of them don't. It just depends on your skin chemistry and how dry or oily you are. But it's really about the scent and how it smells. And this one, in comparison to I guess what it may be cloning, they're so close in scent to me that I don't really need to get the other one. It'd be a nice one to add to your collection, I believe, especially at the price point. You can't go wrong. I like that pineapple and I like that sage note in it. It's one of the ones that I like from the Franck Olivier house. And again, I encourage you guys to look at this house for any of your fragrances because they have some that are clones. They have some of their own originals, and this is one that I like. You see, I've sprayed a little bit of it, but I wear it, pretty frequently. And I think if you're someone that likes Platinum Egoiste or you have it, I encourage you to get it and just to try it and see. I'm pretty sure you're going to say, "Wow, this smells a lot like it." So at any rate, I just wanted to bring this one to you guys' attention. It's another from the Franck Olivier house. I think it's a must buy. It's affordable. Another good office scent. So if you guys again don't want to wear anything to the office that's offensive, this would be a good candidate to wear. That's not offensive and smells good. Lasts you pretty long. As far as compliments go, not really sure whether or not it's going to get you compliments or not. I mean, again, for me, I wear fragrances that I like. I'm really not concerned about compliments, so to speak, but some of you guys are, so I guess it matters. But at any rate, I like this fragrance. I recommend it. Franck Olivier Eau de Passion, solid Chanel Platinum Egoiste clone. That's all I have for now. Signature Scent Review signing off. Click on the like. Click on the bell for notifications. And that's all I have for right now, and peace.